Dance Showdown ngayong gabi. Good luck, guys. I will start with group number 1, Loco Moco. The judges said, the girls looked very, very lovely. Maganda ang projection at very kikay ang dating. Pero ang guys, medyo bitin ang projection. But all in all, it was a fun dance. All God's group number 1. The judges said, Ariana is so hot and she looks like a star. She really owned the dance floor. And the boys also did well at feel nila ang pagsunod kay Ariana. Sabi nga ni Direk Odi, parang naglalakad lang si Ariana daw and then nakita ng mga nasa kali at sinundan na sinundan. In general, all 3 judges had fun with this number. Loco Moco group number 2. The judges said, Voice Avenue did very well. Talagang nag-practice, pinaghirapan, pero si Long at si Empoy parang may sariling mundo at parang nagbubunot ng sahig. Pero dinala nila ang sayaw sa feelings. Okay, so parang oo na hindi, no? All God's group number 2, the judges said, ang Smurfette sobrang landi at sexy, at ang mga All Godsters naman, cute and cool. Ito daw yung pinakamahirap na routine for the night and you guys pulled it off. Congratulations! Sabi ni Miss Edna, meron daw giggle factor. After adding the scores of the 2 groups from Loco Moco High and All Gods, the winning comedy show of TV5 is, audience, who do you think it is? Is it All Gods or Loco Moco? And the winning group is, congratulations, All Gods! Of boogie, Lindy Hop, West Coast swing, and other rock and roll dances. Jive has 2 beats, slow bar of music, and of course we can't escape from our chasse steps. So for the lady, we start with a back step, which we call the rock step. And 1, 2. So always 2 steps, or 2 beats to a bar of music. Ready? And rock step, and of course we have the right chasse and the left chasse, which is 1, 2.